What's up, guys? So I came to pick up some groceries and look what I spotted, man. The new wave of the Matchbox collectors. So I'm definitely going to pick up this cool 1964 Chevy C10 long bed truck. And look what other beauty is here. 1995 Subaru SVX. Nice. And there's another 1964 Chevy C10 long bed truck. Definitely going to take that one as well. And over here, everything's been looked through. So here we have this cool Garbage King XL. It's very cool and all, but I really don't want to fall into that rabbit hole. So, gonna leave it alone. So here we have the new pop culture cars. This is the Jurassic World. We have the HW Tour Bus. And here's the Combat Medic. And here's the bread box. So here are the 5 vehicles that make up the set. Feel free to pause the video if you'd like. So it looks like we're missing the 38 Dodge Airflow. And we are missing the Mercedes-Benz Unimog. But not a bad score, guys. So I'm taking 2 of these. And this beautiful 1985 Subaru SVX. Yes, sir. Let's move on to the next store. What's up, guys? I'm here at Hobby Lobby. I haven't been here in a while, so let's take a quick look. I am in a bit of a hurry. So let's see. Check that out, guys. Check out this 2021 Ford Mustang Mach 1 VIN 0101. Beautiful. I have some cool wheels here. Cherokee, the 83 Chevy S10 Maxi Cab, the 1970 Chevy Chevelle. Have some transport vehicles. Have some Johnny Lightning. Nothing too interesting, but look at this, guys. I'm definitely gonna pick this one up. It's a 2011 Chevy Camaro and the 1973 Chevy Cheyenne 10 Fleet Side. These are the Zingers. Never seen these before. These are super cool. Definitely gonna pick this one up as well. And let's see what else they have. Garbage trucks. Here they have some Jada Toy Select buggies. Here's a 1996 Firebird. This is a cool 1957 Studebaker. That's nice. There's another one. A cool little Jeep. There's a cool 1997 Pontiac Firebird in red. These guys here. This one's really cool. Turtle X, Cougar. Here's a 2000 Jeep Cherokee. This one's representing the Scottsdale, Pennsylvania Fire Department. Very cool. And this is the 1992 Ford F350 representing the East Brookfield Forestry. Here's a cool 1994 Acura Integra. Nice. So check this one out, guys. 1995 Ford F250 representing the Boston Police Department. I'm sure Eddie, aka the Godfather, would like this. Here's this one here. 2013 Ford Escape representing New York City Parks and Recreation. Nice. 2021 Chevy Tahoe. And that is pretty much it, guys. So definitely gonna take this and this right here. Alright, guys, let's move on to the next store. What's up, guys? I'm here at my local disappointment. Let's see what they have in store for us today. So it looks like they have this new casting. This is L case. Gathering from what I'm looking at, everything has already been cherry picked, so I'm not going to waste my time here. Let's see what else they have. Ooh, nice. They have a new wave of Matchbox. Here they have this cool 2016 Alfa Romeo Giulia. Gonna pick that one up. Nice. Here we have this very cool 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Nice. Let's see, Honda Civic. Here's a Mazda CX-5. Check this out, guys. Here's a 2018 Toyota Hilux. Beautiful. Let's see what else they have. Nice. Check this out, guys. This car is right up my alley. This is the 1966 Dodge Charger. Beautiful. Let's see. Definitely some good scores here. Here's a color variation of the 2019 Subaru Forester. Lots of goodies. 1941 Cadillac. And here we have this cool MBX field car. Nice. I like the colors, the deco and everything, but I'm gonna pass. Ooh, another nice one, guys. 2016 Dodge Charger in a beautiful purple. Look at all that detail, man. Definitely gonna take this one. And here we have the 1966 Austin Mini Cooper in a beautiful pink color. But I'm gonna pass. Let's see. Let me grab my little stash here and move it along. Here we have the Hot Wheels Walmart exclusive HW Stars and Stripes. Oh, nice. Look what they have over here, guys. Beautiful. Wow. Definitely gonna pick one of these up. They have two other ones. Oh, nice. This thing is awesome. Dodge A100 panel van and the Plymouth Hemi Cuda. Picked up one of those as well. We have these two. Some of these trucks here. Man, there's a lot of nice stuff today. Of course, chances of finding a chase is 1 in a million these days. It sounds sarcastic, but it's the truth, guys. I don't need a chase or a super treasure hunt to be happy. I collect what I like, and I'm happy with that. Look at these, guys. These are beautiful. Definitely gonna take one of these guys right here. And here's some more. This is the 1971 Dodge Charger Super B. Beautiful. Oh, this is nice. This is the 1964 Dodge A100 panel van. This is really cool. This is the 1941 Willys Coupe. Very nice. Lots of nice stuff, guys. Here's a little bit more of the same. Let's see what else they have over here. M2, the 1944 Willys MB Jeep. Some Jada Toys punch buggies. Here they have some cool M2s. Let's see what they have up here. Nice. Check this out, guys. 1967 Cadillac. Beautiful. Check this one out, guys. Here's a 1957 Ford Fairlane. Very cool. And here we have this cool 1974 Mustang Boss 429. I know Mustang Hunter would love this one. Comes in a beautiful olive green. Cool. Check out this beautiful Impala, guys. 1956 Chevy Impala in a beautiful lime green. Very cool. Check out this beautiful 1970 Dodge Super B 383. Beautiful. Check out this beauty right here, guys. Here's a 1967 Plymouth Roadrunner. Beautiful, man. It's got some different wheels. Check that out. I don't know if M2 Machines intended to make the car this way, or this is the wheel choice that they chose for this car. So yeah, guys, beautiful casting. I'll leave that one here. up some of my mess. Let's see what else they have down here. Oh, nice. Look at this, guys. 1969 L600 and the 1971 Dodge Charger Hemi. Beautiful. Love the deco, love the colors and everything. Definitely gonna pick one of these up. Man, what a day, guys. 1966 Dodge Charger Gasser and the 1968 Dodge L600. Man, a lot of nice stuff. Check out this one. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. Oh, nice. This is a Ford Mustang Gasser. So very cool. There's another one back there. And let's see what they have down here. Oh, nice. Look at this, guys. 1973 Chevy Cheyenne 10 with the Moon Eyes deco. Very cool. Alright, guys.
I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Deuces.